Hey guys, this is Robert, and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, this is sets of clothes from LecGee. So we get some pants here, shorts, tie down here, so pocket here, and pocket in the back here, right, and then the shirts, it's like that. All right, this is not hard collar or anything. And that's it. If you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video. I will see you next time.